Howdy folks, Guy Jeans here. Today is Thursday, December 3rd. I'm here up in the upper Kern, and I'm in the special reg section. It's catch and release, barbless hooks, lures and flies only, and fantastic place to check it out. But can't use bait, can't use salmon eggs, can't use power bait, all that stuff. So just be aware of that. Keeps the fishery really nice up here when people use barbless hooks and catch and release. But a lot of people ask me all the time when I'm guiding, where do I fish when I'm fishing on the Kern? And I'm going to show you guys. I'm just kind of giving you guys a view of what I'm looking at right now. Pretty amazing. But let's kind of go back over here. The Kern is full of pockets and pools and runs. Big old rocks in the middle of the stream, and this is December, and this is about as low as the Kern gets, and it's perfect for wading and getting out on the stream and stuff. But you guys can see all the boulders here, and you got water behind here going into like a little cave section here. And then if you guys look, you can see the different coloration of the water, where it's lighter here and then it gets darker here. And that's a big deep run right there, and probably about 5, 6, 7 feet deep. And I'm going to kind of zoom in here so you guys can see the foam cruising down through there. See that foam? Foam is home, and that's where all the food is going, right down that foam line. And I've been seeing fish rise right in that foam line. I'm going to cruise back out here. And then down here, you guys can see the water's going into another run here, going over some structure, then dumping into a deeper pool down there, again with foam line down at the end of that pool where it gets slower water. But all that foam there is oxygen and brings down food to the Kern River rainbows. And there literally could be fish anywhere, right here at the back of this run, right in here, all through this run. You kind of go this way a little bit. All these little pockets and stuff. You get in there and kind of wade around, and basically hunt for the Kern River rainbow. It's a lot of fun. There's a little class on reading the stream. Guy Jeans, Kern River, fly fishing. Talk to you soon.